Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 El Paso, Texas, Airport-Fort Bliss. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a facilities for disabled guests. The motel offers free Wi-Fi in the guest rooms and features an outdoor pool. The rooms at Motel 6 El Paso Airport-Fort Bliss are furnished with a refrigerator. Guests can also watch expanded cable TV in every room. Laundry facilities are available at El Paso Motel 6 Fort Bliss. Fort Bliss is 3.9 miles from the motel. El Paso Zoo is 3.3 miles away and the El Paso Civil Center is 6.2 miles from the Motel 6 El Paso Fort Bliss. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.